Hi guys, it's Adam from FabLab, and in this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to use the rotary attachment for round objects such as cups and bottles on the Trotec laser. This tutorial is meant for more experienced laser users, so if you haven't seen our keychain tutorial, I encourage you to do so, since there we cover the basics of the Trotec engraver and laser. But today, I'll be showing you how to engrave this wine bottle. To begin, we must first bring the bed of the laser to the bottom. We then switch off the machine as the rotary attachment needs to be installed while the laser is off. Take out the tray underneath and clean out any waste. We will unscrew the nozzle from the laser so it's not in the way of the attachment. Set the attachment to the back end of the machine's bed on the left hand side. Connect your cable from the attachment to the left wall of the laser. If the cable doesn't easily enter the socket, you probably need to reverse the position. The cable is very fragile, so be extra careful with it. Close the lid and switch on the machine. The attachment will automatically rotate to the 0-degree position. You can move the rotary direction with the arrows on the controller. We should then get the measurements of your object. Here I'll use electronic calipers to figure out the diameter of the bottle. You can also use a ruler or a tape measure. When it comes to height, the value of your printing area will matter the most. We will then prepare our graphic which we will engrave. Open your design in Adobe Illustrator and press Ctrl P. In the print settings, we will select Setup and Preferences. In the settings, we will tick the rotary attachment box. Then we will input the diameter and the height of our print area. The circumferences of the print will automatically be calculated. Press Done to exit. Click and go back to the printing menu to click Print. We'll go back to our laser and drag in our print. The change will be visible in the job control, where the rotary attachment will appear. We will then put in our bottle. Make sure it's centered on the axis as much as possible. To set in our bottle, we will adjust the holder to our height, press in and tighten the lock. We will then apply a moist paper towel to the printing area. This makes the engraving on glass much cleaner. If your object isn't fully cylindrical like this wine glass, you can use a rocker lever on the left side to make your glass as parallel as possible to the ground. Once your bottle is set on the attachment, we can focus the laser and navigate to the printing area. I will use these engraving settings, 100 for power and 40 for velocity. Line in your job and press Start. Once your print is done, open the printer, carefully unlock your bottle and take it out. You'll then have your bottle engraved. Thanks for tuning in and hope you enjoyed this tutorial. See you here at FabLab.